Welcome to our channel. Today we how to verify Teachable affiliate links and tracking in the dashboard. Detailed guide step by step clearly. To verify Teachable affiliate links and tracking in the dashboard, start by logging into your Teachable account. Navigate to the dashboard where you can manage your courses and affiliates. On the left sidebar, locate the Affiliate Program section and click on it. Here, you will see an overview of your affiliates and their performance. Select an affiliate account you want to verify. Click on the affiliate's name to open their detailed profile. In their profile, look for the Links section to check their unique affiliate link. Copy the affiliate link provided. Next, open an incognito or private browsing window in your web browser. Paste the copied affiliate link into the address bar and hit Enter. You should be redirected to your course landing page. Now, in the same affiliate profile, locate the Tracking section. Here, you can view the tracking information for clicks and conversions. Check if the click counts match the activity you observed using the affiliate link. To ensure everything is functioning properly, consider making a test purchase through the affiliate link. Once completed, return to the dashboard and refresh the affiliate tracking data. Confirm that the conversion is accurately reflected in the tracking section. If discrepancies arise, recheck the affiliate link for accuracy. Ensure the affiliate has been approved and properly assigned to your courses. Finally, communicate with your affiliate to ensure they understand how to properly use the link. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.